A country you might think is a poor, but actually with rich people. India. India have played a critical role in changing the way technology works and have been working the global landscape for decades. Two of the world's largest technology companies are also headed by Indian origin CEO. Those CEO becoming the leaders of the world's most influential companies and playing a role in their growth is not easy task. If you think some of the world's best CEO were international, you would be surprised to hear many names hailing from India. Today, I'm going to tell you top 5 successful Indian origin CEOs in the world. I hope you are ready. Number 1. Sundar Pichai, Google. Sundar Pichai was appointed as a CEO of Google on August 10, 2015. He hails degree from Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur in India, and he has completed his MBA at Wharton University, where he was awarded the title Sybil Scholar and Palmer Scholar, respectively. He played a role in the launch and development of the Google Chrome web browser, and he was formerly the product head for projects related to Google Maps, Android, and Google Drive, making him an Indian CEO of big companies. Today, Sundar Pichai is one of the great leaders and highest paid CEO in the world. Number 2. Satya Nadella, Microsoft. Satya Nadella comes from Hyderabad, India. He is presently the CEO of Microsoft. He was appointed on February 4, 2014, and quickly gained popularity as a leader afterward. He did his bachelor degree in engineering and specialized in electronics and communication from Manipal Institute of Technology. He also has a master's degree in computer science, which he received from the University of Wisconsin. In addition, an MBA from the University of Chicago School of Business. Before joining the Microsoft, he was technology staff member at Sun Microsystem. He is one of a great CEO in foreign company. Number 3. Rajeev Suri, Nokia. Raised in Delhi, India, Rajeev Suri is an Indian Singaporean businessman who is the CEO of Nokia. He was formerly the CEO of Nokia Solution and Network since 2015, and he played a role in the company's transformation. He has bachelor degree in electronics and communication engineering from Manipal Institute of Technology, India. He was born 1967 in India and later became Singaporean citizen. Number 4. Shantanu Narayen, Adobe System. Shantanu Narayen was born on May 27, 1962. He hails from Hyderabad, India. He is presently an Indian-American CEO of Adobe System. He became the president and CEO of Adobe System since 2005. He has a bachelor degree in electronics and communication engineering from Osmania University. He also held an MBA from the University of California. Shantanu Narayen is a great leader and one of the highest paid CEO in the world. Number 5. Francisco de Souza, Cognizant. Francisco de Souza is an Indian origin and was born in Nairobi, Kenya. Presently, this is an entrepreneur and businessman, CEO of Cognizant Board. He did his bachelor in business administration from the University of East Asia, Macau. He became the company's CEO since 2007 Presently, he is one of the successful entrepreneur and businessman in the world. Nice to hear that. Those CEO Indian origin ruling all of the huge companies in the world. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to click subscribe, like and share to others to learn and grow. Leave your thoughts on your comment section below and turn on notification. You will get new videos. Much love. God bless you all. That's for me today. I will see you on the next.